Beautiful, huh?
Nice weather. It's good. It's good. You think so to all this weather?
What you think?
It's nice.
It's nice, man. Close everything down. That's my comment. They dig you right back in, right?
Hey, what's up?
It's good.
Nice snow day, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Down. That's what's up. Bananas, right? In the inside. Yo, they was just cracked open a little bit. I didn't even know that they was cracked open.
Got 18 inches of snow out here in Bushwick.
This is me, Brother B, holding it down in the DK. Shit is bananas. Right there it is. Straight from BK, holding it down, being easy with it, doing what it do.
Look up there. How you doing? It's man cold out here.
New York, baby. New York, New York. There were people on the bus?
Yeah, well, people, they got off last night.
Oh, okay.
So he's been sitting here for a while, man. I feel bad, you know. They claim budget cuts, but I think somebody will get a tow truck to help the bus drivers.
Right, right on.
Make it double.
Well, we don't like it that much because look, all the cars are stuck.
Oh, okay, where y'all from?
We actually live from here. I'm actually from the Dominican Republic.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
You don't get that.
All right. Anything you want to say?
Yeah. Well, look, I'm on TV.
How you like this weather?
I love the snow, but I just don't like cleaning it up.
Right, true that, true that. Okay, what's your name?
Jeffrey China.
And this is Bushwick, right?
That's correct.
And is this the first time you ever experienced this?
No, actually, it's probably the third.
Oh, okay.
I remember happening in like the 80s, the 90s, and now it's 2000.
Right on, right on. Any shout outs, anything you want to say?
No, but everyone stay warm, stay home.
True that. I wish this was next week Monday, right?
Yes, it was.
All right, stay up. Checking out. Yes, sir. How you doing?
Hanging in there, trying to stay warm.
How long you been here?
I got stuck here since 9:30 last night.
Wow. And what have you been doing to suffice yourself, or, maintain?
Well, you're not supposed to, but I have to let the bus run and stay warm,
Right.
But the people around here has been real friendly,
Yeah.
Offering coffee, if I need to use the bathroom, so that helps a lot too.
That's what's up. Oh man, so I see there's a lot of buses stuck around here. How did that come about? You guys just driving and the snow just bum rushed?
No, it was snowing all day,
Right.
And I guess the best way to say is that if you don't plan ahead, you're not planning to go too far. So
Right.
we knew it. They knew it was coming.
Right.
They still sent us out, so here we are.
Wow. Now you get paid overtime and you get good time.
Oh,
for that?
yes.
Oh, that's what's
Yeah,
up.
we get paid overtime, but why should we have to get paid overtime when we should have been working at the time?
Right. True that. No doubt. No doubt. And what's your name, brother?
They call me Boogie.
Boogie.
Yeah.
All right. I'm brother Blackfoot.
All right, brother Blackfoot, nice to meet you.
All right. You too, brother. Stay warm. Stay up. God bless.
Same to you, thank you.
Happy New Year too.
Same to you.
Peace.
All right, peace.
What do you think about all these buses that are kind of like stuck?
Man, I find that really unbelievable. Like, there's still cars driving through. So if a car can do it, I believe a bus can.
The space between the T and the U.
I'd like to thank my moms just for being there for 18 years, and my father. I love both of y'all.
One down, one down. What's this?
Oh my God, it's crazy. I've never seen something like this. It's crazy. They come to my knees. Look. Yeah. It's crazy out here.
Bananas, right?
Yeah.
You like-
And we're still going out.
Oh, you from Bushwick?
Yeah, from Bushwick.
Oh, okay. What do you think about this weather?
Oh my God, it's crazy. It's really crazy, but it's fun at the same time to be out here.
Okay, yeah, it is.
Yeah, I like it.
What are your names?
Brenda and Holly. She's from Spain.
Oh, from Spain.
Yeah.
Gotta be done, man. Gotta be done, you know?
Enjoying it?
Somewhat, just not this part.
True that, true that.
All right, laying in the snow since I had a day off.
True that. What you think about this weather?
Good. Fun with the kids.
Loving it?
Yeah. Enjoying it. My daughter is too.
Any shout out you want to say?
Huh?
You want to shout out? Anybody you want to shout out?
Shout out to my family and everybody. Have a good time.
Is this the first time? Is this the first time you experienced this?
No, I have many more, but my daughter's first time.
Yeah. Say hi, Donna.
She's like, keep it. There we go.
All right.
See you. Bye-bye.
Boogie Boogie, are you enjoying this? Jackie, what about you? C to the Jizzy?
Midnight.